To fix Facebook pixel errors. In this video, we will talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First, you have to go and open the settings of your device, then open apps option, and here on apps option, you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this and click on storage option. Now go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back and click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do next, guys, go to this option here, permissions, and go to files and media, and you have to allow access to media only. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you another